Okay, web developers, if you've noticed something, you know that this command doesn't work with Vite 8. So here's how we solve it. I'm using the JavaScript version and this is Vite 8 for you. Now open your IDE, copy this command and paste it in your IDE. And when you install it, you get this issue. So what's the solution? Go to package.json and manually add these dependencies. So post CSS 8, Tailwind CSS 8, A4, actually Tailwind CSS 4. And then you also have Tailwind CSS Vite, okay, so version 4. And you also have Tailwind CSS post CSS version 4. So now below your package.json, have your overrides file option and then type exactly what you see here. So Tailwind CSS Vite and then we use Vite version 8, of course. This will make sense soon. So when you are done with this, go to vite.config.js and in here we'll have the option called build. So with the build option, we are going to have the cssMinify to be esbuild. So when you're done, just install these freaking dependencies as an Aura farmer. Everything is perfectly installed. Now copy this and then paste it, just like how you install Tailwind CSS regularly on their websites. So you just follow the documentation. So Tailwind CSS. Now you go to index.css, remove all the trash code here, and you just, paste this command in the index.css file. And you're pretty much done. So when you go to app.jsx, clear whatever is there, and then we are going to test whether this Tailwind CSS code will work. So I'll create a p tag, and then with this p tag, I'll just have hello world in it and just pretty much do the regular Tailwind CSS stuff in React. So I'm just going to use font bold and pretty much make the text to be red in color. And also make the text to be a bit bigger so that we can see what is going on. So guys, this is a temporary solution. I think probably within a week or two, they will actually fix this issue. So just run npm run dev and you can start your server. And as you can see, the styling is perfect. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. This is a temporary solution, but this is the best solution so far. Have a good time.